Jordan, you're cute. Allie, he's wearing an oversized shirt because he's down here.
All right, we're gonna take.
This might have to.
Yeah, we're gonna take the ball off.
Yeah, otherwise you might
Katie, Jordan.
that might jeopardize your flight angle and stuff.
Yeah, it will. We're sure of it. It was just for show for now.
Well, shoot.
Here, we gotta take off the ribbon though.
Yeah.
No. Oh, put it back on when he puts it on the thing.
No. Yeah, it's gonna. Yeah.
No, what are you doing? Take the ball off.
We are gonna take the bow off.
Patience, Randy.
I'm just scared something's gonna blow up right now.
No, nothing's attached. There's nothing.
I just have that. I just happen to have that kind of luck. So.
Last time it was
Somehow
this will blow up.
Okay. We're gonna hold that nose cone.
It should.
And then go ahead and take the guy out.
We just untied it. But
No.
okay.
Push it.
Oh. Okay. There you go.
Oh,
Peel
sorry.
that off.
Oh, my bad.
Huh. There you go. All right. Put this down.
A lot of separation for you.
Get hype.
We should cut
Hype.
high altitude. Boom, man!
Okay.
May I see that? I just want to check to make sure if it slides off the way.
Yeah.
All right, that's good.
Good. Okay. What's going on now? Okay, we're gonna set it up.
Dude, no, it's
You
pointing
guys
back
like the
this
angle?
way.
You want to change the angle? You want the angle like
We
this?
want the angle to stay the same as it was.
Actually, since the weight, I think we should have it like this. See, look, it looks more straight up that way.
Okay.
We'd have a better chance of getting it like this.
What if it didn't even? What if it doesn't even launch? That'd be so
And you
disappointing.
would not get a flight or recovery score.
Well,
Okay, here we go. Back it up, guys. Okay, going 5, 4.
Happy feet.
Push and hold. 3, 2,
Wombo combo.
1.
Oh shit! Oh crap! Oh, is that it? No, that's a bird.
way over there.
Where? Oh shit!
Get it, Forrest, go get it.
Dude! Oh shit! No tree! No tree! No tree! No tree! No! No tree!
Dude, no. Wait.
Oh dude, I think it's gonna make it!
Where is it?
Where is it?
Right there. Over here.
Where?
Right there, straight ahead. Look, orange.
Oh crap.
You see it?
No.
Right between that twig that looks like this. Can you bring it down at all?
Oh, there it is.
Where? We lost. Point to it.
There.
Oh, I see it.
So much for that.
Yeah, that was. Yeah.